President Aquino shrugs off the controversy surrounding Delfin Lee's arrest. In an interview with reporters, Aquino says suspicions that someone influential intervened to have Lee released should be put to rest, since the businessman is already behind bars. The palace earlier said the president was satisfied with Oriental Mindoro Governor Alfonso Umali's explanation on why he called PNP Chief Alan Purisima on the night of Lee's arrest.
Dapat salamatan lang. Sinabi ko na nga yung tamang sagot yan eh. Nasaan ba si Mr. Lee ngayon? Arestado. Sino nangaharang? Di ba kung mataas, nangharang, influensado, hindi nahuli. Nahuli o, nakakulong. Di ba?
The president also expressed confidence other high-profile fugitives will be captured soon. Aside from Lee, the PNP's most wanted list includes retired Army General Jovito Palparan, former Dinagat Representative Ruben Ecleo Jr., former Palawan Governor Joel Reyes, and his brother, Coron Mayor Mario Reyes.
Sa kasalukuyang operasyon, mabibilib kayo doon sa kalibre ng mga nadakip at madadakip.